Hi guys, I'm Susie Vitello, and I'm thrilled to announce that on March 30th, my debut adult speculative novel, Faultland, hits the shelves. So back a year and a half ago, when I actually signed the contract with Ooligan, nobody knew this was going to happen, that we were all going to be presenting our books virtually. We all thought, oh, we'll just, have our book launch at Powell's or Broadway Books or somewhere else. But this is the reality, and I'm happy that we can do it safely. And I'm very excited for you to join me on the 30th. And there'll be more information in my bio link. You'll see how to sign up. And when you sign up, you will be automatically entered to win this really cool Judy bag, which is an emergency kit that's like a backpack, and it's got all kinds of goodies inside. So anyway, I really am excited about this, and I want to tell you a little bit more about the party and about the book. The launch party, we're going to have a wonderful moderator, my good friend Monica Drake, who's going to moderate the Q&A and introduce some other guests. They'll be part of it. There'll be a little reading, there'll be some Q&A, there'll be an expert on earthquakes, there'll be some of my Ooligan friends there. So it should be a fun evening. Let me tell you a little bit about the book. It's set in Portland, and it follows three estranged siblings who are forced to deal with their rifts and schisms when a devastating earthquake flattens their family home and their city. Like many folks who live in the Pacific Northwest, I've long been fascinated and anxious about the possibility of this kind of monumental seismic occurrence. Over the years, on walks and hikes through the hilly sections of Portland, I've taken note of houses that seem really precariously balanced on what I know to be liquefiable ground. Like a lot of people, I'm really envious of the beautiful views these sort of mansions atop the hill have. But I don't covet the actual real estate that teeters on the brink of disaster. As a novelist, though, well, the possibilities of what if were just too tempting. And, it took years and years and a few different versions of this book, but I think I finally came up with a narrative that I really am happy and excited to share. I've set the novel a bit in the future, a future that imagines shaky grounds in areas of the Portland Hills Fault. And aside from the resentments and dark secrets among the members of the Sparrow family, my three adult siblings, the novel incorporates some of the sort of political unrest we've been feeling, along with the growing climate crisis and the fires and the floods and, the unchecked racism that continues to tear at the fabric of our society. But at the end of the day, Faultland is mostly about resilience, my favorite theme. And it's kind of a love letter to a city and a population that's been through a lot. Hopefully you've already signed up to attend the virtual book party, and the info, like I said, can be found in any of my social media. And hopefully, you'll click and you'll be eligible to win this beautiful thing. And we'll see you on the 30th. I'm really, really excited, and please join me. And if you want to pre-order the book, that's great. It's no purchase is necessary, though, for you to be entered to win the prize. But I'd love to know what you think, too. So if you do pre-order the book and you share it with friends or whatever, if you wouldn't mind leaving me a review when you get the book, that would be terrific. Anyway, I will see you on the 30th, and I'm really, really excited. Thanks.